Those of you who have seen my punch needling videos and posts may have heard of Studio Versie. It's a lady from the Netherlands on YouTube who is the one whose video finally helped teach me what I was doing wrong. Well, she has an Etsy site that's linked through her YouTube videos. And guess what I did? Yep, I went on her Etsy site and bought some stuff. So, I don't want to show my address or hers. So, I'm just opening the box. Okay. First, we have a little thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for choosing to shop with Studio Versie. Supporting a small business means you are making a dream come true. I would like to offer you 10% off. Oh, nice. And that's her. She's very lovely. So let's see what I bought. I know that I bought yarn. I just don't remember what colors. Okay. Ooh. This is not the color that I remember it being. It was more peach. This looks a little bit more pink, but anyhow. Oh, look at that. And these are all wool yarns, not plastic, polyester, and they are considered the best for punch needling. So, my God, look how much that is. Just one skein. And this looks like kind of a pale pink, but online it was more of a peachy. But that's okay. Still pretty. And it's different from the pinks I have in my kit, you know? The kit that I bought from Amazon. So, ooh, I've been looking for some green. I don't have any green. The kit I bought gives me no green. So here I am trying to do leaves on my latest project with no green. So they told me to use navy blue. That's what I've been doing. But now I've got green. Oh, yes, 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 yes. So excited. Okay. Cardo is the brand. What is that? I can't even see that. 100% Corriedale wool. Yep. Let's see. 109 yards per gauge. 11 to 13. I can't remember what I saw was the best, but I remember shopping this after watching her video, so I think I'm going to be okay for punch needling. Hand wash in cold water. How very cool. Oh, there's even a little booklet. Oh, it's actually Uruguay, made in Uruguay. So I'm not sure why she sells it in the Netherlands, but there are no two identical skeins. Each one is unique. This skein was made in, I can't, I can't read it, by Adriana. Oh, that is so cool. I actually know who made my wool. Awesome. Excuse my excitement, but you know, doesn't take much to excite me these days when there's nothing but bad news. I love it, especially this color. Bye.